Hey guys, guess what? We have got more Proline tires up for grabs. So write me a comment why you need these tires. You got new rigs, you're building old rigs, you're changing old rigs, your tires are tired, or you just need to upgrade your tires. Write me a comment, guys. The guys who write me a comment, I will put you guys in the final draw and let's see who wins the final prize. Now let's get back into today's video. Gotta keep on forging. Gotta keep on forging, keep on forging. It's like finding Dory, you know, just gotta keep on forging. So today we're going to keep on forging up into this section over here, because there's a path. Behind this, there's a path. I can either go around this or see if I can actually fit the Jeep through this little tight section. I'm hoping I'm going to make it, but I'm just going to have to do some calculation and measurements to see if I can actually get through this path. And by not cutting down trees, like I just want to cut down branches and twigs, and let's see how far we get with this one. So we're going to be doing this section by section. It does get dense up there, but keep on forging. So I'm just going to put the Jeep in position to get some measurements to see how much I need to cut. Looks about right. So judging from this angle, it looks like the Jeep is going to fit. So I'm going to do a bit of trimming and then forward on a path coming through these little ridges. You can't really see them on camera right now, but it kind of like goes up and then over, and then that up there will be the next step. This one's dead. Yeah, I can cut that one off, no problem. This adventuring stuff, it's not easy. All right, so I cleaned up a little bit so you can actually see the rocks that are building a little wall to create the leveling of the farm sections. Now this is obviously hasn't been happening for the last 50 years, so I'm going to drive up it. So let's give it a go. beached out on the bottom section here. And on the other side, the same thing. Yeah, kind of there. So I'm going to have to take that first layer of rocks off so that we can pass over smoothly. That actually took out one of the rocks already for me because they're just lying here. They don't really have cement or anything under them. So I can just remove this first section. I'm going to try and build up this area here because I know the back wheel is going to kind of slide into this area because it's not going to get grip on the root of the tree. I'm going to try and see if I can just build a few rocks around that. And this here is going to be the next section. That's quite dense, but it's all little twigs, so I'm not really fussed about it. Small branches, easy to remove. So let's get cracking. It's been a good 2 hours. Let's give it a go. Okay, people, I'm quite beat. Let's take a jeep all the way down and all the way back up and see how far we got. So guys, that was a lot of work. I'm gonna just grab my equipment and I'm out of here. Don't forget, we've got the tire giveaway coming up, and I'm about halfway of forging through the jungle. So I think another couple of days we'll be at the top. Then we can start building the most awesome RC trail ever. Okay guys, see you next week. Bye.